Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Ito yung reading natin for Virgos. Take only what resonates. So, this is past, present, and then future reading. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel natin, subscribe na lang po, And please do hit the notification bell. At syempre, of course, ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Kahit po comment na heart, yung mga ganyan, smileys, malaking bagay na po yan sa akin kasi nagpapakita yan sa akin ng suporta. Tsaka isa pa, maaaring mapili ka na maswerteng mabibigyan ng personal reading ni Madam Jean. Ayan, ni Jing Tarot Reader. Yan yung kanyang Facebook. By October, mamimili na siya ng maswerteng mabibigyan ng personal reading. Okay, so again, this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. This is for your past, present, and then future reading. Let's start your reading. What happened in the past for Virgos? You do have here the Wheel of Fortune, the Six of Pentacles, and then the Ten of Pentacles. And then for your present, kukunin ko lang yung mga cards na gagamitin natin. For Virgos, please. For Virgos, please. One last shuffle. This is for your present, Virgo. Okay, so meron ka ditong the Emperor, Eight of Swords, that is in reverse, and the Death card. And then for your future, for Virgos, please. For Virgos, please. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. This is for your future. Okay. You do have here the Empress, the Five of Cups, and Queen of Wands. And yan, sisimulan na natin yung reading. Habang nagre-reading ako, kukuha ko ng mga bagay or mga cards na magka-clarify dito sa ating mga cards na lumabas na dito. So, for your past, please clarify the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. That is a major arcana. Okay. So, in the past, nakakita tayo dito ng maaaring mga bagay na ginawa mo para magkaroon ng pagbabago sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? Maybe may mga ending na nangyari sa'yo and then parang gusto mo mabago yung sitwasyon kasi maaaring yung ending hindi mo gusto. Okay? Either gusto mong mabalik kung ano man yung mga nawala or gusto mong mabago yung pinaka nangyari kasi nga maaaring nung natapos marami ang nawala at hindi mo matanggap ito. And then with the Devil in reverse, I feel like andito yung energy na parang hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo. Pero ayaw mo ng advice or tulong mula sa ibang tao. Maybe ikaw ito na umiwas dito sa mga taong you feel like bossy energy yan, or pwedeng mas nag-focus ka na lang sa mga kaya mo pang ayusin sa sarili mo. Kung ano pa yung mga kayang ibalik, ayusin. So, ito yung pinag-focusan mo. Maybe there's this person na nandyan in the past to help you, but then mas pinili mo umiwas, lumayo dito sa taong to. Kasi yung tulong na ginagawa niya, medyo dumating sa point na you feel like siya na yung nasusunod and ayaw mo naman ng ganun. Okay? So, please clarify the 6 of Pentacles. Please, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Yeah, nakakakita tayo in the past ng offer of help. Maybe coming from this family with the sun, a friend. This is someone na pwedeng somehow nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, no? And siya yung masaya dito sa new beginning na nangyayari sa'yo in the past. And maybe this is a person na ito with the Queen of Pentacles energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So, maybe kaya niya or willing siyang mag-provide, tumulong, and to start something new with you. Okay? Dito sa'yo, handa siyang tumulong. Pero nakikita nga natin na pwedeng hindi mo siya hinayaang tumulong sa'yo. Or kung tinulungan or kung hinayaan mo man siyang makatulong, pwedeng hindi nagtuloy-tuloy kasi maybe nagkaroon ka ng choices in life wherein ikaw yung lumayo or umiwas dito. Okay? Kasi maybe nafe-feel mo na medyo bossy yung energy nitong taong to. I feel like it has something to do with your career in the past. What's with the 10 of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, I can see problems. Yan. With money, stressful energy, and with the 9 of Swords, maybe hindi mo yun pinapahalata. Hindi mo yun pinapakita. Pinapakita mo lang na malakas ka, na kaya mo, ganun. And hindi ka takot at baliwala lang sa'yo yung mga nangyayari in the past. Okay, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nawalan ka ng trabaho, maybe naka-apekto sa'yo ng malaki yung pandemic, yung iba ganun no? But, I'm feeling like hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo dito, kung paano haharapin itong susolusyonan itong problema na to. And yun nga, marami yung nawala sa'yo financially. Pwedeng may mga nakuha, pwedeng may mga perang hindi nabalik. So, nakuha or kinuha talaga sa'yo yun. And what's with the Emperor? This is for your present. Ka-clarify natin. What's with the Emperor for Virgo? Okay, nakakakita tayo ng new beginnings for you. I feel like itong yung mga new beginnings na ito is something na hindi mo ine-expect but then biglang dumating. Okay, hindi mo ine-expect. And what's with the 8 of Swords? Okay, the 8 of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the 7 of Wands, and the King of Wands. Well, I can see a person. Ito, nakuha ko ng energy nito There's an ending na nangyari between you and maybe this person or itong sitwasyon na ito. High chance that this is a person, a new person, or ang pagbabalik muli ng person with the Ace of Wands, making actions here with the 7 of Wands. And meron din siyang Queen of Pentacles energy, or this could be your past person na nasasabi natin as a King of Wands, willing tumulong, maybe someone who is magaling pagdating sa pagmamanage, maybe either self-employed or may sariling negosyo, ganun yung energy niya. But anyway, so I can see you na pwedeng either ikaw yung mas nagiging open dito sa taong ito ngayon, or siya yung nagiging open sa'yo ngayon. Okay, this person, kung siya yung nagiging open sa'yo ngayon, well, I feel like this is like another opportunity na dumadating sa'yo para i-open up mo din naman yung sarili mo sa taong to. Kasi siya yung nakikita natin na willing magbigay ng tulong sa'yo. Siya yung noon pa man nakikita na natin na willing siyang, I feel like that is a past person nga. Na noon pa man, willing na siyang tumulong, willing siya na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. And then, there's this energy na naman na willing na naman siyang mag-offer or magbigay at maybe to help you. No? Kahit, yung energy niya is kahit siya lang yung gumagawa. Example, meron kayong project or pagtutulungan. Etong person ito, kahit siya na yung magsubo at magsubo sa'yo lahat ng gagawin. Ang gusto niya lang talaga is matulungan ka. And of course, tulungan mo yung sarili mo. Makipag-cooperate ka sa kanya. Okay? We do have here the Death card. And, yeah. For some of you, there's this energy with the King of Swords. And the Two of Swords na parang ngayon, ang present moment is that kung ano man yung mga offers for you, mga dumadating sa'yo, whether it's a person, opportunity, ikaw ito na nakikita natin na lumalayo dito. And the Seven of Swords is here. So, yung present moment mo, there's possible growth na may kinalaman sa money, may kinalaman sa maybe sa offer nitong person na ito or sa muling pagbabalik nitong taong to. Pwedeng may kinalaman doon. There's an opportunity of growth, but you are the one na umiiwas at lumalayo dito because high chance na mataas talaga yung ego mo kasi eh. And alam mo yon sa sarili mo, especially you are the King of Swords here. Ikaw talaga yung mas nakikita natin nag-i-end. At maybe nagde-decision na hindi tanggapin or hindi i-welcome itong pagdating muli nitong person na ito. And let's clarify the cards here in the future. What's with the Empress in a reverse? Okay, the Empress in reverse is clarified by the Lovers in reverse. So in the future, I can see separation, like maybe another ending. Ayan. With the Empress, maybe this is the person na possible na nagbigay ng pagpapahalaga sa'yo. And maybe in the future, hindi na natin na nakikita yung pagpapahalaga or pag-aalaga or pagko-contribute, pakikipag-connect nitong person na ito. Like, maybe willing siyang magbigay sa'yo in the past and you know, siya yung nakikita natin ngayon na umiiwas in the future. So, moving on. Yeah, for some of you, may love na involved doon. So, siya yung mas nakikita natin nag-move on at lumalayo in the future dito sa situation or sa connection ninyo. And what's with the Five of Cups? You do have here the Five of Wands and I can see sadness dito kasi nagiging magulo ang lahat for you and there's a lot of challenges na parang alam mong hindi mo kayang harapin. What's with the Five of Wands? Yeah, we do have here the Seven of Pentacles. I don't see you making any actions with the world. You are like closing your doors. Yeah, especially ang bottom of the deck is the Hermit. Yung iba talaga may kinalaman sa love to. Or kung walang kinalaman sa love, maybe this opportunity or this person na willing magbigay sa'yo. Like, open ang pintuan ng buhay niya at willing siyang magbigay ng lahat ng kaya niyang itulong at lahat-lahat. Kasama na rin yung pagmamahal sa'yo. But you are not welcoming this person with the Hermit Virgo energy. Tinatry mo na lang mo ng mag-focus sa finances mo, and that hindi ko nakikita na nilalabanan mo or inilalaban mo ang connection na ito or itong new beginning na ito. So, nagkakos ito sa'yo ng lungkot kasi medyo napapanghinaan ka ng loob dito. And what's the Queen of Wands? Yeah, there's the Sun, and actually it's in reverse. The Ten of Swords is in reverse, and we do have here the Sun. Well, the Queen of Wands is an advice for you. Yeah, this is a person giving you advice na parang what makes you happy? Yun yung tanong eh. Ano ba yung makakapagpa saya sa'yo? Okay? Alam mo yan sa sarili mo. It's like the Queen of Wands is the advice for you. Kasi ikaw lang ang makakapagpaalis ng tinik sa puso mo na nararamdaman mo. Kung ano yung nakakapagpahirap sa'yo, ikaw lang makakapag-alis sa sitwasyon mo na yan. Kasi yung mga opportunities, pati yung person, pagdating sa love, kusa silang dumadating. Pero kung hindi mo naman willing tanggapin, maaaring lungkot lang din yung pinipili mo sa buhay mo. And kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, yun yung dapat mong maging gawin or piliin dito. Okay? You are, the energy here is you are the world and you need the sun. You need someone na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Okay? And ayun lang. Yung new beginning in the near future, hindi natin nakikita nangyayari yan. Kasi, like what I've told you, ikaw yung kailangan gumawa ng paraan para ma-achieve mo or makuha mo yung new beginning na yan. Which is in the past, nakita natin na ipinapresent yon. In the present, ipinapresent yung new beginning na yan. Pero nasa sayo ang pagtanggap kung tatanggapin mo ba ang new beginning na ibinibigay sa'yo. Okay? Yung iba, may mga naguguluhan, pero yung iba, hopefully na clear yung nasa isip mo. Anyway, thank you for watching. Sana naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching again, and bye-bye.